Hey, it's Kate, or WTI. I have really loved incorporating collagen into my daily routine, and I am so excited that I found this particular supplement by Rae. This is their vegan collagen boost. These are capsules. I love them because they are vegan. So that's what I was looking for, was a plant-based collagen option. And I love that they are in capsules. I have been using collagen for a while and I've used the powder before, but I really appreciate how convenient these capsules are, especially if maybe you're on the go. And what's amazing too is that this also has a vitamin C boost. So I'm getting the collagen benefits for my skin and hair health, and then I'm also getting the vitamin C, which I always need. I find that these capsules are a very manageable size. They're very small compared to some supplements I've had to take, and they actually have a very delightful, to me, it's kind of like a minty fresh taste that they leave behind in your mouth after you take them. So I find them very pleasant to take. It is not difficult at all. So I love having that vegan collagen support in my body. I love how convenient these are to take. And I love that vitamin C boost. If you are looking to add collagen into your daily routine in a very convenient way, I highly recommend checking out these capsules by Rae. I think you'll love them too, but that's just my point of view.